Hi soulmates, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel now. In this video, you are going to learn how to cut and sew side cowl drape v-neck top. But before the tutorial, please listen to this. I repeat, please listen to this. In this video, I have big offer worth thousands of naira for just 5 fashion designers that understand what I asked them to do. Therefore, I want you to please listen and don't skip any part of this video for you not to miss this great opportunity. Now, let's get started. To make this side cowl drape v-neck top, the first thing you have to take note of is the amount of fabric you are going to use is 1 trouser length fabric at least, and the wideness have to come by 60. So the trouser length in my area is 45 inches, while the wideness has to be by 60. That is the first thing you have to take note of. And second thing, the fabric texture has to be lightweight fabric. That is number 2. And number 3 you have to take note of is that trouser length measurement, which is 45, has to fall on the shoulder to your sleeve area, while the wideness of the fabric has to be our length measurement. I hope you get me clearly. So now for the folding, this is our trouser length, right? Our 45 inches trouser length. Then you are going to fold it into 2 this way. So you fold it into 2 this way. That is the first thing. Then you are going to fold it into 4 this way. You fold it into 4. So this shoulder line will be closed, and here also will be closed, while we have this place open and this place open. So since we folded this into 2 now, our 45 will now give us 22 and a half, while this wideness of the fabric, which is by 60, have to give us 30 inches because it's now in 2 fold. I hope you get me clearly. Moving to the drafting now. The first thing you are going to do, from this your length line, you are going to measure 1 inch. You know, this is an illustration, so all these measurements, just apply it on the fabric and you are going to get the exact result. This measurement meant for adults. So from this edge now, from our length line, you are going to measure 1 inch and you are going to take it down. This 1 inch allowance is what we are going to use to join the center. If you notice this dress very well, it has joining on the center line. So that's why we leave this place as our joining allowance. Number 2, the neck width is going to be 3 inches. And the neck depth for the back, we are going to make use of 1.5, while the neck depth for the front side, we are going to make use of 8 inches. Though this depends on how low you want your neckline to be. Now you are going to proceed to connect our neckline, and you are going to connect the front side. And don't forget, this is how we folded our fabric. So this method, it will be very easy for you to cut out the neckline without any issue. Moving on this our sleeve line, you are going to come down here by 1.5, and you are going to connect to the neck width this way. The next thing now is our sleeve opening, and the sleeve opening, you are going to make use of 14 inches plus 1 inch, so that will give us 15 inches. Out of that 1 inch, you are going to use half to join it on the side line, and you are going to use half to join the shoulder. So that is how we get the 15 inches. And if you observe this dress very well, you will discover the sleeve has wide mouth. So that's why we make use of 14 inches. and from your shoulder line you mark your half length. After this, then from your sleeve opening here, you are going to come in by 2 inches for you to be able to fold your sleeve opening. Then you are going to connect so you can see the way I connected this now to my hem line. So that is how you are going to connect it. You don't have to have too much curve here for the thing to sit properly on you. So with this drafting, we are done with our drafting. Next thing now is to cut out the dress. So this is what we are going to have, this way, and you are going to cut your shoulder, and you are going to slash this open. For the neck, you are going to cut the back first. Now we have it in 4 pieces. We have 2 for the front and 2 for the back. So now you are going to set the front aside and you are going to cut it out this way. So this is what we are going to have at the end of the cutting.
Now, before I explain how to join this top, here is the offer I have for you. I'm ready to make luxury commercial AI fashion video like this for just 5 fashion designers for their social media uses. But please listen to this. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what you are to do in order to have this opportunity, and it's going to be free. So let's continue with the tutorial now.
To join this side cowl drape v-neck top, you are going to pick one back and one front. You are going to match them together this way, and the placement will be right side facing each other. So for example, this is going to be your right side and this will be your right side, and this one is for the front side while this is the back side. And you are going to join the shoulder and also fold by 1 inch, because the length we have here is 22 inches. After folding 1 inch, you are going to have 21.5 sleeve length. So that's why I advise you folding it by 1 inch. So after joining the shoulder, folding the sleeve mouth, you are going to repeat same thing to this side. Now after joining the shoulder, you are going to have it this way, you can see. So the next thing, use bias tape to tape the neck of both sides. Use bias tape to tape the neck of both sides, and after taping it, the next thing you are going to do, you place them on each side this way, and you are going to join from this your neckline down to your half length. After joining it down, then you are going to have slits here, and also you are going to join from this back down to the half waistline. Then you are going to have this slit. Now after joining the front side from the neckline to the waistline, and also join the back from the neckline to the waistline, this is what we are going to have. As you can see, these are slits for the front and this is the slit on the back side. And don't forget, while turning your slit, it has to be in 2 folds this way in order to secure the rough edges. After this, you are going to close the side. You are going to close the side. So you close the side from here to the sleeve, and also you repeat same thing to the other side. Then we have our side cowl drape v-neck top. So if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. And also, if you want to learn how to use AI to promote your fashion business, make sure you click the link in the description box below. Thank you and see you in the next video.
Finally, If you want me to make an AI commercial fashion video shoot for your brand, just comment interesting video in the comment section and send me your YouTube name on WhatsApp. Then we are good to go. Just 5 fashion brand. Thank you.